this becomes a buy level for duration, right? So we're buying up duration from these two levels here. As we go higher, we can see that max sells duration at the top edge. So max goes short duration up here. So this becomes another key level here, right? So we mark these levels because these are levels that we can still deal against. These are levels we can still deal against. Now look at what happens. This is a 2-minute chart. Max comes in and sells more duration at a lower price. Now that's obviously, we've got to look to the left and find out where the liquidity is, and there isn't anything except for that higher price. So a little bit surprised that Max sold in here, but what happened was that we sold off and we made some nice money. And then we got another retest in here and we made some nice money. And then we got another Max duration sell off the same price area. Again, interestingly enough. And the price sells off. And then we got another Max sell duration off the same price level again. And you can see what's happening in these areas. You might be saying, oh, what happened here? Nothing. Nothing. It's just running some liquidity. So we sell more at higher prices. And this is what we do. We sell more at higher prices. And then Max comes back in and sells some more again for duration. You might be saying, why is Max selling so much duration up here? Why is Max so heavy into the short trade at those higher prices? That's why. That's why. Because we got an enormous profit on eventually on the last sell trade, which was a very nice profit here, and then selling back into this phase here was just genius. That's why we're making so much money on these durational trades. Max is all over these trades here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual triggers and probably about a dozen opportunities. So Max absolutely killed it today with that durational short. Killed it today with that durational short. Now, obviously, in terms of that durational short, you might be saying, okay, well, that's interesting. So obviously, that's that short bond that you're talking about before, that idea of getting short duration, short treasuries. That's obviously going to be part of that storyline, and that's what we're obviously wondering when we're looking at these things. And that's obviously one of the key takeaways from from what the hell is going on, because we've got this flattener coming into the markets as well, which is causing us a few of the problems that we're seeing on treasuries. But that's okay, we can work with those. We can work around those durational ideas on treasuries because we are very, very mindful of the fact that we can tell what a parallel steepener or a parallel flattener looks like. It's the knob spread and the fob spread and the fight spread and the tuts all going in the same direction at the same time, and that's what we've kind of got just now, and that's why as a seller we know we're doing the wrong thing. Sometimes we can't help ourselves, but as a bond seller just now, we started out selling it for the Grail duration trade, but because the knob spread dropped, we were left in a parallel flattener, which caused the bond price to rally, and that's pretty obvious if you understand bonds. Pretty obvious if you understand bonds, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up?